Hello, welcome to my garden. As you can see, for a boy from London, this is a big ask. Everywhere I look, it looks a massive headache and an impossible job. But Lee from STIHL says anything is possible. I'm going to find out.
I've been with STIHL for 7 years and I've come here today to spend some time with Chris and just let him know how STIHL tools can help him just to get the job done. Lee, welcome to my mess called the woods. Trees have fallen down over the sort of autumn period and I need to get rid of all this holly. It drives me mad. We need to breathe a bit here.
Yep, let some light in, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's no problem. We've got an MSA 200 chainsaw here, cordless, AP300 battery there to go inside it, and again, as with all the other cordless products, no need to worry about fuel storage. It's lightweight, very quiet, hence we won't need to use our ear defenders. 14-inch bar on here, so it should be more than capable of clearing out at ground level and letting some light in.
Okay, well we'll look at that in action, but first, what sort of kit do we need to wear to protect ourselves?
Well, chainsaw use, we always recommend chainsaw boots. The chainsaw boots that I'm wearing today have got protective material in there. I've got chainsaw protective trousers. We recommend design C trousers, which offer you all-round protection, so front of your legs and also around the backs of your legs as well, if you're an occasional user. I've got a workwear jacket on here, but making sure I've got gloves on as well, eye protection, and because we are in the woods, potential hazards from falling objects, we've got the helmet on with a visor as well.
Okay, do you have to maintain it?
You have to keep on top of the tension of the chain. You also have to sharpen it from time to time, but keeping on top of the chain tension is very straightforward with this machine. You can see here the chain is at optimum tension there, but I can, by releasing this side casing and pulling that back, we can copy a loose chain like that. So now we can push that dial back forward. You cannot push it too hard because it just won't go any tighter, and then you just tighten the side casing up like so, and that's you with your optimum chain tension.
Perfect.
Tool free.
We're ready to go?
We are ready to go.
Let's go. So you check up what's up there, anything could hit you or which way it would fall?
Yeah, we'll make sure that there's nothing that's going to fall on us. We'll take one out at a time, pull it out until we give ourselves plenty of room to work there.
Look, I have used a chainsaw once and I sliced into a branch like that and it got stuck.
Yeah. Okay.
How do you avoid doing that? How would you attack this?
Well, with this type of branch, they're obviously quite springy, but there's not a lot of weight in them, so what I would recommend is that you sort of like make a cut from one side and then make another cut from the other, and that way there's a little bit more flexibility in the cut and there's less chance of your bar getting pinched. I will now leave you in here to do the rest safely.
If you don't see me for 6 months, you know where I am.